Hey, welcome back to our Gear Choice channel. Are you ready to elevate your fishing experience to the next level? Introducing the Fishing Swivel Connector Hooks. Line clip lock carabiners, stainless steel fishing, fastener snaps tools from Yixi Fishing Tackle Store. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these fishing swivel connectors are built to withstand the toughest conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. With a simple yet effective design, these swivel connectors make changing your fishing setup a breeze. Say goodbye to tangled lines and hello to smooth, hassle-free fishing. Whether you're casting for small fish or tackling big game, our fishing swivel connectors have you covered, available in a range of sizes to suit your needs. These connectors are perfect for lure fishing, sea fishing, and everything in between. So why wait? Join countless satisfied customers and experience the difference for yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fishing tips and product highlights. And don't forget to check the description below for a special offer from Yixi Fishing Tackle Store. Yixi Fishing Tackle Store, your go-to destination for all your fishing needs. Thank you for watching.